Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to see who viewed your Instagram highlights. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, just go ahead and open up the Instagram app. Now tap on your profile right here at the bottom right. Tap on it, and once done, scroll down and find the highlights section. Okay, now what you'll do is just go ahead and tap on the specific highlight. Now, once it's opened, all you got to do next is just swipe up like so. And in this list, you will be able to see who viewed your highlights. Okay, but do take note, you can only view or check who viewed your highlights for about 48 hours after the original story was posted. Again, only for about 48 hours after the original story was posted, as viewer lists disappear after the original story's time window ends, even if saved to a highlight. Okay, so after that window, you will only see the total view count right here, not the specific names, as the data is tied to the original story timestamp, not the indefinite highlight. That is it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.